Hello, Namaste, Adab. Today we have a theatre and film personality who is the director of Dramanon and also owns a firm of interior designing, who is none other than Mr. Ramakrishna Shenoy, who is also known as R.K. Shenoy. Welcome, sir. To begin with, you were born in Udupi, and what bring you to Hyderabad?
No, I think for me it was my profession, which is largely architecture
Okay.
and interior design also. So I did my masters from SET Ahmedabad before I had done my architecture from Manipal, and that's where I started driving on theatre group. So after finishing my masters in Ahmedabad, I got a call by one of my juniors from college who said, "Would you like to join my firm?" And primarily that's what happened. It's called Ants Architecture Company.
No.
So he got me to Hyderabad. This was in 2007. So there was no other plan. There was nothing. Which I think this is fate. It just brought me here,
Okay.
and that's how I worked with him for about 7 years. And then I started my own firm.
Okay. Beginning with the joint, after that it started.
हाँ, so it was like a working partnership जैसे होता है ना, तो उसके बाद फिर 7-8 साल काम करने के बाद मैंने खुद अपना स्टार्ट किया फिर
तो थिएटर भी उसी समय पे ज्वाइन करिए ड्रामानॉन.
नहीं, so theatre Dramanon is something which I had started in 2000. This is the 25th year of it.
25.
So 2000 में in Manipal में I was teaching in the College of Architecture.
Okay.
And वहाँ पे because there was no theatre activity happening for the students, वहाँ पे 25,000 students थे in Manipal
25,000.
that time. Now there are about 50,000, and there was not a single theatre group in that entire town. So and because I was always into it before, तो वो शुरू किया along with another person. He was also a faculty. मैं तो teach करता था उस time. I was at the architecture college.
जी.
Faculty. I did my architecture graduation भी वहीं से किया था, लेकिन that was 96. So this is in 2000 when I came to teach. I started Dramanon for the students of Manipal. तो यहाँ पे जब पहुँच गए, तो I said let me join some theatre group. But there was not much of activity happening in 2007. तो किसी ने कहा तो Dramanon हैदराबाद क्यों नहीं शुरू कर देते? So that's what happened.
Yeah. So, like, what inspired you to pursue a career in acting, sir? And how did your journey theater and filming begin?
So, I think क्या होता है कि फिल्मिंग का जहाँ तक सवाल है, I never planned it.
Okay.
Right? And it's not like you want to be doing that. Theater is something which was always fascinating for me because वो क्या बचपन से करते आते हैं ना, घर में जैसे कोई गेस्ट आ गए बोल देते हैं जैसे कि चलो ये इसका मिमिक्री करके दिखाओ and I was always interested in performing, and theater became a logical outlet. जो होता है आपका एनर्जी होता है उसको कैसे आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो
जी.
how do you let it out, and then there was always interest in music, and so it all comes together. So theater में जब मैं गया, because it had recognized, my very first film that I did was again through Mr. Vinay Verma. He invited me for an audition, and then that happened. This was way back in 2010. Movie called Oh My Friend, I think is a Telugu film. I had no thought that I'm looking towards making films. उसके बाद there has been series of I've done about 5-6 movies, 2 serials. So it's calling me a cinema person is not really fair because it's not like I'm into it. I've done a few,
Okay.
and it's not like I'm reaching out to people to get into movies because my primary profession of architecture है and my passion is theatre.
Okay.
So cinema is incidental, I would say.
So, like, theater is like you are pursuing as your hobby.
Well, you can say मेरा एक पैर इधर है एक पैर उधर है. Although since the last 4-5 years, it's been more. I started focusing on architecture जब से COVID हुआ.
जी.
Because it became like a survival instinct. But now I'm getting back. It's last year, so we were doing a few things for corporates and other things, but अभी theatre, it was always like that. There was a balance that I maintained, and I think what is interesting here is I always felt that मैं जब theatre करता हूँ, it affects my architecture. मेरा architectural process जो होता है वो it affects my theatre in a positive way. They kind of feed on each other, as I call it.
Okay, not negatively but
In a
positive.
positive way, because जैसे कि मैं as an architect you look at composition, organizational skills, वो सब होता है, and you're looking at psychology, you're looking at people. Theatre is also like that. You are also, it's a composition. At the end of the day, आप जो कोई perform करते हो, stage पे कुछ डाल रहे हो, it's a visual art in a way.
Yes.
It's a performing art,
Yeah.
but there is a visual aspect to it also. So I have a lot of thought on those kind of things. वो कर नहीं पाते क्योंकि बजट में जो सोचते हैं हम लोग ये करना है, ऐसे सेट, ऐसा लाइट, वो सब बहुत मुश्किल से हो जाता है क्योंकि at the end of the day you have a very low budget to do a production. So, but I feel अतुल कुमार जो एक थिएटर पर्सनालिटी है, उनसे मैंने पूछा था कि आई एम कंफ्यूज, मैं थिएटर करूँ कि आर्किटेक्चर करूँ, लाइक does it make more sense to focus on your one thing? तो he said you are in the best space. जब आप थिएटर से बोर हो जाते हो तो आर्किटेक्चर करो, जब आर्किटेक्चर से बोर हो जाते हो तो थिएटर करो, and they will all feed on each other.
Like kind of a soul and the body relate somewhere.
I think there is in fact one of my एक घर मैंने बनाया था किन्हीं के लिए, मीरा फाइबर टेक अनुज रूपेश देसाई, जो घर का डिजाइन वो घर बनने के बाद the statement that she made is now I see that आप बहुत dramatic spaces करते हो,
Okay.
मतलब there's a lot of contrast, there's a lot of play of levels, light कहाँ से आ रहा है, इधर से आ रहा है, so it's like in a way for me it's creating that story. आर्किटेक्चर में भी एक कहानी होती है,
Co-related.
आप बिल्डिंग जब डिजाइन करते हो तो उसमें एक कहानी है, यहाँ से एंटर करते हो, ये ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है, so it's like that. So I look at it both as stories.
So right, both are relatable to each other.
Absolutely. And music also, like music maybe, I mean I play a few musical instruments, I sing, so वो भी that artistic pursuit and sketching and photography, ये सब all come together in a way,
Yeah. Like all related to art.
all related to art, yeah. So there is no, I mean you will find काफी architects हैं जो they're into some creative thing, या तो photography में होंगे या painting में होंगे या theatre में, जैसे कमल कामराजू जो architect हैं वो भी painter हैं, he's a professional painter also, it's like,
So like Dramanon is a short form of Dramastic Anonymous.
Dramatist Anonymous, yeah.
So how does it started, sir?
So, okay, the why, this is interesting because why the name Dramatist Anonymous was given, because Manipal में जो students होते हैं, they will keep graduating.
Okay.
तो वो, it's not like a group is like 25 साल से 30 साल से एक ही 4-5 core members हैं ऐसे रहेंगे. The idea of the name Dramatist Anonymous was because वो person is not constant. Students will come, they'll graduate after 3 years, 4 years, नए बच्चे आएंगे. So there is not a single person, so it's anonymous. वो but dramatist है, जो भी dramatist है वो anonymous है, they'll all come together and create something for theatre.
Yeah. So like can you share a pivotal moment that confirmed acting was your true calling?
I think for me it was watching a play, and if I remember right, I think this was in Goa when I was working in Goa, and I forgot the name of the play, but it was a British Council had organized this play, and I saw this play, and I used to do theatre before,
Okay.
but so I used to be doing it for enjoyment. You think you're entertaining people. So that play kind of it left me with a deep emotion. Like the ability for theatre to do that. I said, I want to explore more. Like, I want to know more. So then I started getting into more workshops, understanding. क्योंकि पहले बहुत external performance करते हैं लोग, हंसाना है लोगों को तो कुछ करो ऐसा वाला. But rather than then you start discovering yourself. For me, then that happened. That's a pivotal moment. That by doing theatre, I realized I can live different lives. इस सब जो हम बहुत safe zone में हैं, मतलब जैसे कि वो कहते हैं ना कि आप रियल लाइफ में आप एक इतने जोन में रहते हो
जी
कि ज़्यादा बुरा नहीं कर सकते, ज़्यादा भी अच्छा नहीं कर सकते, और एक्टिंग में यू कैन एक्सप्लोर योर एक्सट्रीम्स.
like there is no balancing.
You can explore
Explore,
like
yeah.
characters to your extreme, and you're discovering that in yourself. So it's like some kind of a release बोलते हैं ना.
जी
आपका जो एक जैसे मैं performance सब करते हैं, sometimes you explore a character that allows you to do something which you can't really do in life.
yeah definitely because
So,
not every role you can't perform.
तो वो आप अलग अलग lives lead करते हो. वो once that thought happened in my head, I realized theater is therapy. It's not just entertaining people, it's also discovering myself.
So it's a kind of development of a human being as well.
Absolutely, I think it's और ये लोग सोचते हैं कि थिएटर करोगे तो आप एक्सट्रोवर्ट बन जाते हो, you become very open. Not necessary. I think you become more sensitive. That's one thing. In fact, a lot of theater people are very introvert. वो observe कर रहे होते हैं. ये नहीं कि सबसे बात करेंगे ऐसे नहीं, but they are very there's a self confidence एक आ जाता है. That's for sure. You feel more comfortable with who you are.
Yeah.
That happens. So these are the things I would say. I don't know whether that makes sense, whether it's a pivotal moment, but I think the discovery of that was important for me.
Like our basis of living a life would be
वही देखो अपनी जिंदगी में ड्रामा है कोई हर रोज हम सब जगह जाते जहाँ भी जाते हैं कुछ ना कुछ तो ड्रामा होता रहता है. It depends on how we start reacting to things,
जी
or I think see the other thing which I realized was voice, and when I would keep talking about voice, the voice से के जो power है, and I realize this because I'm also into teaching.
okay
Theater करते करते you are also working on your voice, you're working on what frequency to use. अभी किसी को convince करना तो कौन सा frequency में use कर सकते हो. किसी के आप defensive हो रहे हो तो आपका pitch बढ़ जाता है, आप बहुत self assured हो तो आपका pitch एक particular state में रहता है. But how do you influence people through sound and voice?
got
Or clarity say. So the theater also helps you in that.
Yeah.
It helps you to I wouldn't use the word manipulate, but at least influence.
influence.
Yeah. So वो भी is an important thing which I realized theater के through would be very interesting to train people. मेरे ख्याल से सबको करना चाहिए. Any performing arts.
Yeah.
I think it just helps you to personality development बोलते हैं ना.
जी
Yeah.
इंडिविजुअल क्लासेस ना लेके प्ले के थ्रू हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल हो सकता है. और मैंने देखा है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखा है. लोग जो स्टेज फियर था या लोगों से बात करने के लिए डरते हैं, या इवन इन कॉलेजेस आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेजेस में देयर इज अ फियर ऑफ गिविंग अ प्रेजेंटेशन. अभी आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेज में उनको अपने डिजाइन्स को एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है.
जी
वो देयर इज अ फियर. Then once you do start doing theater, you lose that some sense of fear and then you let go. Of course, आपके जो काम जो किया है वो अच्छा होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि that just gives you that overconfidence. It allows you to be more free.
So like how do you prepare for your roles in theater versus films, and are there any significant differences in your approach?
देखिए I mean this of course you must have heard it many times, and I'm sure people would have heard this, is that theater is a process.
Yeah.
And cinema is more like a product. मतलब कि आप you look the part तो आपको ले लिया है. मतलब I've done Telugu films at a time when I didn't even speak Telugu, so I'm just learning the line, right? So I बोल दिया कुछ भी, ठीक है. वो well of course you work towards it. So in theater it's a process कि आप शुरू जब करते हो, एंड में जब फाइनल जो प्रोडक्ट होता है it's not so critical, क्योंकि आप जो प्रोसेस अच्छा अगर रखा हुआ है तो प्रोडक्ट होगा ही अच्छा. बट प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू होता रहेगा. वो परफॉर्मेंस के बाद आप अगला परफॉर्मेंस में आप शायद कुछ चेंज करोगे.
जी
It will keep on happening. Some shows happen 50 shows 100 shows. वो 100th शो और फर्स्ट शो में बहुत फर्क हो सकता है.
जी डिफरेंस होगा.
तो सिनेमा में एक बार हो गया उसमें आप 10 टेक्स दोगे. उन 10 टेक में से एक वो चूज करेंगे और वो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है. I think cinema is a director's medium, whereas theater is an actor's medium. क्योंकि जितना भी डायरेक्टर उनको कितना भी उनको ट्रेन किया या उनको डायरेक्ट किया, फाइनली तो एक्टर ही दिखेगा ना,
जी
डायरेक्टर कहीं दिखता नहीं है इस टाइम। Whereas in cinema तो डायरेक्टर कैन कंट्रोल योर डायरेक्टिंग टेबल। आपकी शक्ल अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, आपने बहुत नटखट बनते थे आप शूटिंग में, तो आप वो आपके कैमरा, आपका जब डायलॉग है तो दूसरे एक्टर को दिखाएंगे, आपकी आवाज़ सुनाएंगे,
ओके
because they want to cut off, or something didn't come out well, they can do that. So I don't really prepare for cinema. I prepare with just the lines, and I just don't need to know that. एक तो हमको पूरा स्क्रिप्ट देते नहीं है हम,
Okay.
when you're doing a smaller role and all that, so you're given the context of the scene. अब वो पिक्चर का मेरे को कनेक्शन ही नहीं है, मेरे को वो सिर्फ सीन में क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं। I ask questions to myself, what is the intent, क्या है, कौन से, what's the state of mind of the person, and then you work within them. In theatre में तो हम बहुत डेप्थ में जाते हैं, मतलब बैक स्टोरी क्या है, why is the person like this, what has happened, because 1 घंटे का 1.5 घंटे का character has to be there from beginning till the end.
Yeah.
वो सीन में आप शिफ्ट हो जाते हो, एक सीन खत्म होते दूसरे सीन, एक सीन में आप गुस्से में और दूसरे सीन में हंस रहे हो, ठीक है, उसके लिए there is no, you're switching from one zone to another zone. और सिनेमा में तो एक शॉट हो गया, उसी शॉट को 1-2 घंटे बाद दूसरे कैमरा एंगल से दे कम एंड शूट, which is I feel it's the process of cinema, shooting for cinema, a little the waiting game बोलते हैं ना, patience बहुत होता है उसमें। अब तो इतना मेरा सिनेमा में, और जहाँ तक मैंने जो मूवीज की है, it's not like I've done too many films, as I said. The process hasn't been that, what you call, enjoyable for me.
Okay, in terms of cinema.
In terms of cinema, because the director will never sit with you.
Okay.
They will not explain. I mean, they do a little bit of it, but वो जो थिएटर में जिस तरह से हम in depth में जाते हैं,
जी
like when I'm directing a play, I sit with my actors a lot and we do a lot of discussions and figuring out that, you know, कि कैसे करेंगे इसको। Cinema में very rarely गया, only when I did this movie with Nagesh Kokunur, he did like a video camera से, he shot certain sequences and then he explained what the character is, what's happening,
Yeah.
कैसे, but बाकी मूवीज में तो सेट में पहुंच गए, और स्पेशली तेलुगु मूवीज पहुंच गए और बोले हाँ ये सीन है, दे आर अज्यूमिंग दिस इज व्हाट यू गोइंग टू डू, देयर इज नथिंग, वो वहीं पे शॉट के टाइम पे दे आर टेलिंग यू, दे लाइक इट, बस दैट्स इट।
जैसे सर आपने कहा थिएटर 1 to 100 टाइम्स प्ले किया जाता है, तो इसमें सर एक इंसान, जैसे कि मूवीज हो तो हर कोई देखने चला जाता है, चाहे कितनी भी पुरानी, टीवी पे देख लेते हैं या कहीं पे भी देख लेते हैं ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स। थिएटर प्ले में इंटरेस्ट कम होता है लोगों का, जैसे कि हम अगर स्पेसिफिक आर्टिस्ट है थिएटर तो वो देखने जाते हैं, रीजन क्या होता है सर, वो रिपीटेडली क्यों देखना चाहिए एज एन आर्टिस्ट और एज एन इंडिविजुअल, वो उनको विजिट करना चाहिए किस बेसिस पे?
सिनेमा है ह्यूज एडवांटेज। एक तो उन्होंने क्या कर दिया है, जो भी नहीं चाहिए था, दे हैव एलिमिनेटेड ऑल द अननेसेसरी एलिमेंट्स एंड हैव एडिटेड इट आउट, ब्रॉट आउट द बेस्ट पोर्शंस ऑफ दैट वर्क ऑफ आर्ट। एक तो वो एडवांटेज है, ठीक है, दैट मींस फॉर एडिटिंग में बहुत टाइम लगा है। सेकंड, दे हैव द एडवांटेज ऑफ क्रिएटिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग विजुअल्स, ग्रेट सिनेमेटोग्राफी, म्यूजिक, स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स, जो तुम डालना चाहते हो मूवी में वो डाल दिया। स्टार वैल्यू अपने में, हम तो आइडल्स को पूछते हैं, यहाँ पर मंदिर भी बन जाते हैं फॉर फिल्म एक्टर्स। What is the reason? Because you are seeing the actor 10 times bigger than real life. वो बड़े स्क्रीन में आप जब देखते हो, और जो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो में लोग पैसा फेंकते हैं, आजकल तो फायर क्रैकर्स भी चलने लग गए सिनेमा में, बट the aura of that, how do you compare it with theater? अब theater में आप you seeing that person is like living room में कोई perform कर रहा है, आप देख रहे हो उसको, so you are competing with that, and वो theater में air conditioned है, sound बाहर से कुछ नहीं आता, screen is that big, perfect sound, every word, everything is heard, the sound, music, everything is controlled. So how do you compete with something like that? The only way you can compete is theater has to make you imagine.
Okay.
क्योंकि सिनेमा में तो आपको इमेजिनेशन बचा ही नहीं ना, आपको जो दिख रहा है वो दिख रहा है। आप अगर किताब पढ़ते हो, आप और मैं किताब पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आपने जो दुनिया उसमें इमेजिन किया और मेरा जो इमेजिनेशन है बिल्कुल अलग हो
अलग
सकता है।
होगा।
ठीक है, सिनेमा में तो जो आप देखोगे मैं देखो एक ही होगा। थिएटर इज द इन बिटवीन। थिएटर में इट गिव्स यू इमेजिनेशन, इट अलाउज यू टू इमेजिन द स्पेस एंड इट्स ऑल हैपनिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ वो एक्सपीरियंस। और दूसरी बात ये वो परफॉर्मेंस आपको दूसरी बार देखने को नहीं मिलेगा। सेम परफॉर्मेंस इन दैट स्पेस इन दैट टाइम यू विल नॉट गेट इट। Cinema you can watch it 100 times, it's the same. Same play you watch it next time you might have a different experience. दूसरी बात, and I think the third most important point about theatre is अगर compete करना है cinema के साथ, it has to be you need to have great spaces for it. ताकि आप you get lost in that space. अब जैसे रंगशंकर है, पृथ्वी में अगर आप बैठोगे नो साउंड इश्यूज, बाहर से कोई मस्कीटो का नहीं है, गर्मी का नहीं है, एयर कंडीशन है और व्हाटएवर, इट्स अ टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल एंड एवरी एक्टर का हर वर्ड इज हर्ड एंड यू कैन सी एवरी एक्टर क्लियरली। सो वो ऐसा अगर एक स्पेस मिल जाता है देन ऑडियंस को वो प्ले देखेंगे तो द एक्सपीरियंस बिकम्स दैट मच बेटर। तो वो आएंगे 2 बार 3 बार 5 4 बार। तो मैंने पिया बैरियो का 3-4 बार देखा, लव लेटर्स आई हैव सीन इट 3-4 times. I've seen a lot of plays like Mehra Masoom I've seen twice. So there are plays which, I mean, I just wish like this is ये जो मैं Mehra Masoom बोल रहा हूँ नामांकन में देखा था। I wish if it was in a better setup, I would have the enjoyment would have been even more. क्योंकि नामांकन में अभी भी मैं देख रहा हूँ सामने मेरे को किसी की शक्ल दिख रही है, उनका सर दिख रहा है, या वहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड में I'm hearing a bike, या कुछ you know there's a tree there so branches will fall sometimes or it rains. तो वो सब सोच के I think audience generally if they had a bad experience watching a play वो theater को ही negate कर देंगे. But if they love watching a play they'll embrace theater and they'll keep looking for plays to come and watch. और दूसरा ये है कि we don't have something called as previews. आपको यूएस में जाओ ब्रॉडवे एवरी प्ले में प्रीव्यू एंड जैसे मूवीज के लिए प्रीव्यूज आते हैं ना, रिव्यूज आते हैं जो वो तो पैसे देके कर देते हैं कुछ ना कुछ, बट आई एम सेइंग इफ पीपल रियली आर इंटरेस्टेड इन थिएटर दे वुड लाइक टू नो इज इट अ गुड प्ले टू गो एंड वॉच. सो वो है, आई थिंक वेन्यू इज वन इशू एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज मीडिया इज नॉट इन्वॉल्वड इन प्रमोटिंग थिएटर या रिव्यूज और एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स. Kolkata, if you see, they give a free 2-page ad. 2-page में there will be about 10-12 plays का ads हो. आज इतने shows हो रहे हैं, so people are aware of.
Like importance has been given in Kolkata to a theatre.
Visibility नहीं है ना, लोग आधे क्या? I think in Hyderabad there are hardly about 10-15,000 people who are patrons of theatre. और patrons क्या मतलब कि play देखते हैं. जी. Out of 1 crore people. Visibility अगर नहीं है तो कौन और जाएंगे भी लोग. वो फेस्टिवल्स होंगे, सब फेस्टिवल तो फ्री पासेस मिल रहे हैं, या कोई सेलिब्रिटी परफॉर्म करने का है 10,000 का टिकट है या 5,000 का टिकट, दे विल गो टू वॉच इट बिकॉज़ आई हैव दिस सेलिब्रिटीज परफॉर्म. दैट्स द सैड पार्ट.
So like celebrity could become in upcoming days in a theatre as well if the facilities has been around. Like
there have been talks and there have been actors who are in cinema who tried to do theatre, and in fact there are a lot of Bombay में तो common है. Naziruddin Shah for example, he keeps doing theatre. तो cinema और theatre
combination.
हाँ. But because he's performing, people will come and watch him. But he's also a fantastic actor, even on stage. So it's a great experience watching him perform.
So like आपका ये you are an architect from MIT Manipal and also an urban planner from CETT. Yeah. Like University Ahmedabad. Can you please elaborate on this, sir?
I mean, I would say that's Manipal. I graduated. My hometown is Manipal, by the way. But I studied in Delhi. My entire education, first standard to 12th standard, was in Delhi. तो तभी हिंदी बोल लेता हूँ. But North Indian style, not Hyderabadi. So I came to Manipal 91 to 96 architecture मैंने complete किया. I was always good in drawing. मेरे पेरेंट्स तो डर जाते थे कि मैं मूवी का पोस्टर्स पेंट करूँगा बड़े हो गए. Because they didn't know what is the meaning of this. They were drawing, no homework करते थे, वो भी पीछे draw कर दिया. But then they realized that because nobody knew about the profession, and I somehow got to know about it in my 9th standard. About architecture, कोई profession नहीं तो आपको engineer, doctor, chartered accountant ये
Selected four categories है.
होते थे उस time पे. I'm talking about 1989, 90 में. तो architecture join होने के बाद Manipal, that was a complete life-changing experience for me. That profession. उस time पे I was doing theatre.
Like connected from schooling से आप connected
हाँ, स्कूल से थिएटर्स मतलब बट वो यू नो द स्किट्स वैसे होते हैं स्कूल में स्टेज में करते हो आप कुछ परफॉर्म एंड या सो आई डिड आर्किटेक्चर एंड देन आई वर्क फॉर और ये देखिए ना मैं आर्किटेक्चर करते हुए थिएटर भी कर रहा था व्हेन आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट जॉब इन गोवा 96 में माय फर्म जो मेरे बॉस थे उनके पास एक थिएटर ग्रुप था सो ही वाज रनिंग अ थिएटर ग्रुप सो आई थिंक किस्मत बोलते हैं ना
लिखा हुआ था
जो भी है तो एंड गोवा हैज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रांग थिएटर कल्चर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कला एकेडमी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस व्हिच वाज फॉर मी कला एकेडमी वाज इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज इट वाज एन आर्किटेक्चरल you know masterpiece by a very famous architect called Charles Correa. He's no more, so one of my favorite architects. और उसमें बहुत theatre performances, workshops वो सब होते रहते हैं. So that became like a place where you would like to hang out in and watch performances. And then I did when I went to SET, a master's करने के लिए urban planning. There theatre is even more stronger. There are 3 theatre groups in that one college. So, of course there are arts college है ये सब. तो वहाँ पे भी I did acted in 2 plays and then I directed 1 play. तो वो continue होता रहा.
जी जैसे कि कई सारे जो इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं सारे थिएटर कहीं ना कहीं एक पार्ट ऑफ सिलेबस हो जाता है उनका.
Correct. Now ये in SET अहमदाबाद बहुत encourage करते हैं because it's a pure only architecture, urban planning, arts related college है वो and design related. Interior design का भी course होगा, art design है, urban design है, urban planning है. तो वहाँ पे there was a lot of emphasis on co-curricular things. Theatre, music, art, photography, filmmaking. So सारे students they're doing short films, they're doing musical performances. There should be a festival for about 10 days. तो उसमें you see so many talent and that influences you. ये सच बात है कि आप जिस जो कंपनी में आप होते हो ना, the bunch of people who are around you, they rub off that energy or onto you like you get influenced.
एनर्जी passes on.
आप जिस लोगों के साथ उस कंपनी में हो that affects you.
जी.
So Ahmedabad was a great experience for me. वहाँ तो दर्पण में था which was मल्लिका साराभाई's place. वहाँ पे जाके हम performances देखते थे, plays and music performances. So I think it's always up be in touch with it, no? So it keeps inspiring you.
Like a growth भी हो रहा है दोनों fields में.
Yeah. So both my colleges, MIT and SET, it was quite good in terms of taking this journey further. So that happened. Yeah.
What is KIT and how it is started in beginning, sir?
Well, 2012 was the first time. That was the 12th year of Dramanon.
12th year of Dramanon.
Dramanon 2000 में established was 2012 when I was in Hyderabad. I thought why don't we start a 12-minute short play? मतलब मेरे को numbers के साथ थोड़ा सा है. एक play किया था हमने 6 करके. अभी in 2009. And this was a 12-minute short play. How can actors in that short time period or group can tell a story or perform something which is powerful enough or it entertains or whatever it is. Can you do a play in 12 minutes? And that happened in 2012. Or why we did it? Because I think we felt it gives an opportunity for people जिनको नहीं मिलता ये chance. We giving a platform. मतलब stage है, lights दे रहे हैं, sound दे रहे हैं, हमने marketing सब किया, आप आके perform करो. There was no registration fee when we started that time, so there were almost 24 theatre groups which came and participated. And through that we discovered people who have now, I don't know if you know this person, Abdul Razak, if you're aware of him. He got recognized in the very first edition of Skits in 2012. जब उनका एक there was a theatre group in Old City जो हमको मालूम नहीं था ना ये सब.
जी
Koshish Theatre Group करके है वो, and I think they had come and performed, and he became a star. Like he became our favorite. He won the best actor, runner-up मिला था शायद उस time. Next year he won the best actor award, and the group won special award and all that. But another thing which happened was उस through skits 4-5 नए theatre group form हो गए.
ओके inspired of
Not inspired, okay, whatever, there's a prize money, whatever. I don't think the prize money is that important, but yeah, if you can make 20, 30, 40,000.
the winner makes a 30,000
Total prize money is 1,20,000.
okay divided by a runner up or first
बहुत categories हैं उसमें.
Right.
Original script उस time नहीं था, but now we have original script also as an award. तो वो idea ये था कि to create new groups perhaps, give an opportunity and maybe discover new actors. क्योंकि मैं देखो मेरे को actors है लोग other theatre groups are also going to be there.
yes
So when they see somebody perform, say, this is a fantastic actor, I want this person to be in my group. So that gives them that in a way. That's an opportunity. Second is it encourages writers. आप लिखो 1 घंटे का play लिखने की जरूरत है, 12 मिनट का लिख लो.
जी
आसान नहीं है.
हाँ.
I think 12 minutes में to tell a story is not easy.
not yeah
It's actually more
Takes time.
complicated. But then at least quantity come in. If you have a good idea.
no, it is better if we are comparing with the shorts or reels
Yeah.
like in comparison of a
In a way, आजकल लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, ठीक है, तो ये 12 मिनट का ब्रेक वर्क्स. In fact, we had started this in Hyderabad in 2009, just 6 किया था, short plays.
short plays
तो एक तो मेरे को रिहर्सल करने में आसान होता था कि आज ये प्ले करेंगे अगले दिन, instead of doing a 1.5 hour long play. But skits largely was that. हम लोग उसको competition के नाम पे बुलाते हैं, but मेरा objective अलग है.
okay
It's not. I know people will want to win, and they should, like play to win both, you know. But I don't think the prize money is the motivation. For me, as I said, it's to create an opportunity.
a kind of a cultural of a theater evaluation could also be seen
वो थोड़ा tricky है क्योंकि like I was talking to Vinay also the other day, Vinay Verma, and he was saying he doesn't agree with the concept of theater competition. Because कैसे कंपेयर करोगे? अब एक तेलुगु प्ले है, हिंदी प्ले है, इंग्लिश प्ले हो, तो कैसे किस जॉनर, मतलब अलग जॉनर है वो भी, एक कॉमेडी है, एक थ्रिलर है और एक ड्रामा है, तो उसको कैसे आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो? But I think for me it's like the play, the impact it leaves. Right? Emotionally आपको कितना मूव करता है? Emotionally मतलब हंसाता भी है तो एक सा इमोशन होता है, ठीक है? रुलाता भी है तो वो इमोशन ही obviously. तो does it leave an impact on you? Was the performance honest and powerful enough to leave an impact? मतलब आप बाहर जाते हैं उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो, सोच रहे हो उसके बारे में. So that for me there have been wonderful performances which have come out of skits. So we are very proud of it. Although many people might not agree with the competition. I think कैसे compete करो? I think it's good in its own way. ठीक है, winners, losers, that's secondary, I would say.
at least art is being promoted
Through this, the community comes together.
yes
And there are a lot of atoms collide बोलते हैं. जैसे अभी we are organizing an event where there are a lot of people who want to act, but they don't have a team. So we are creating an online event. We say, okay, 40-50 लोग आएंगे. Okay, somebody wants to do a Telugu play, somebody wants to do a Hindi play. These are the actors who, if you're interested, please get in touch with them. Maybe something might happen. So, हमने पिछली बार जब किया था, 3 teams emerged out of that play, and one of them was in the final. They won 1 award also. So that has also happened.
Can you talk about a time when improvisation on an unexpected moment shaped like a scene you were played, sir?
हाँ. देखिए improvisation तो होता रहता है. I think that's the other thing about live performance ना कि आप
live performance
I think recently I was saying there was a scene that we were doing and with my co-actor. She was eating pan. My dear friend Shika Gupta, she's my co-actor in that scene, and she was eating pan. And there's a scene we are doing that वो लेकिन उन्होंने she started choking on it.
okay
I'm having वो apple juice ही है, लेकिन I'm supposedly having whiskey, ठीक है? So I'm talking to her, and then she started coughing a lot, not very choking, but coughing a lot. And then I said, अरे ये whiskey ले ले सब ठीक हो जाएगा. All the issues will get resolved, something like that. I made a line like that, and the audience laughed and cheered it. And that whole दो मिनट का जो हमने improvise किया, the audience felt it is very natural. In fact, they said that was the most natural portion of the play. वो lines सब पूरे improvise थे. But I think that's one of the things about performance. ना, how do you let go of the rehearsal?
Yeah.
ये rehearse नहीं दिखना चाहिए. मतलब natural कैसे आता है? So that's one example. बहुत ऐसे बहुत हुए हैं. The actors forgot the lines. एक पेज खा गया कोई. And then you somehow get the play back in track. So सब दो तीन actors are working towards bringing the play back and that coming back to that point. The transition जहाँ पे होता है. But that's the fun about theatre also. Improvise कैसे करते हो जैसे कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो नहीं होगा.
Like consistent performing ये creativity लाता है सर या कैसे होता कैसे है?
I think आप actors जब होते हो आप you thinking from the right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. तो आप जब on stage आप दोनों active हैं आपके. You are lines आपके दिमाग में ऐसे embed हो चुके हैं by then. It's second nature. So आप lines तो ऐसे flow होता है. But you're also aware of light किधर है. You're also aware of movement और कुछ गिर गया. But you shouldn't make the audience realize that को पता चल रहा है वो. आप casually आप improvise करके उसको उठा के कहीं पे रख दोगे. लोग सोचेंगे it's part of the scene.
Okay.
But for that I need to be, my left brain has to be active, no? Awareness.
Could it be
The
said
analytical side of me should be very aware. The right side is the creative part. Creative part made me to उठा के इसको ऐसे कर देंगे. Work with them, see. आप कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो make it an advantage.
Yeah.
How do you make it an advantage in that scene? So we got to be on your toes as an actor. ये नहीं है कि exact same होगा performance. कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है shift.
You are an interior designer, sir, okay? Like as well, you are firm called Arcade Design Studio. Like it is an architectural firm.
Correct.
And urban design and interior design firm. So like it's a side business you were comparing at current situation or else a full part?
No, I'm a qualified architect. So I mean, if you have to understand, I'm not a qualified actor.
Okay.
I am an actor who's learned because I'm passionate about it. I've learned through my peers, I've learned through my other theatre colleagues, and I've observed other theatre practitioners, watched their plays, and I have attended a lot of workshops. तो 15-20 वर्कशॉप मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में अटेंड किए होंगे थिएटर वर्कशॉप्स फ्रॉम 1 week to 15 days वैसे वाले एंड सो दैट इज व्हाट हैज ब्रॉट मी टू थिएटर सो आई एम नॉट एन एसडी ग्रेजुएट या एचसीयू जो भी है आर्किटेक्चर तो मैंने भैया डिग्री है 5 साल का कोर्स है ठीक है एंड देन आई हैव डन 2 years of masters educational qualification wise I have bachelor's and master's in the field of this architecture and urban planning. Yeah. Interior design also we do it because. So if you ask me what's my primary profession, I said जिसमें बोल रहा था ना पहले मैं एक पैर थिएटर में था एक पैर आर्किटेक्चर में था लेकिन आर्किटेक्चर से 90% of the money is coming through architecture, maybe more. Theatre is giving me doesn't pay because I'm not fully active. So it would be that. So my primary profession is architecture in that sense. Yeah. And theatre is something which I pursue without thinking too much about the monetary benefit. But वो जब आता है तो अच्छा है.
So like hypothetically, अगर ये अपना आर्किटेक्चरल ना होता तो सर इसे मैनेज थिएटर के प्रति आपका
बिल्कुल होता. Definitely. I mean, Vinay has been doing that successfully.
Definitely.
So and there are a lot of other theatre practitioners. Samara, then there is Mishambita. They are all pursuing theatre full time. Right? उनका वही है profession है. Of course, theatre full time मतलब आप theatre allied works, voice over, dubbing कर रहे हो या ads or movies or anything else.
Somewhere related to
the performance. You are a performer, right? So आपका जो strength है आप utilize कर रहे हो उसको. So it can be definitely a profession if somebody wants to pursue it. It is definitely a profession. प्योर थिएटर में शायद नहीं मुश्किल है हैदराबाद एटलीस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ मतलब सिर्फ थिएटर ही से ही आप पैसे कमा सकते हो वो नहीं होता है अभी नहीं
सोर्स ऑफ इनकम कम है इसमें एज कंपेयर्ड टू
ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल इफ दिस मोस्ट थिएटर ग्रुप विल पे यू जस्ट फॉर योर एक्सपेंसेस आपका ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस वो सब पे करेंगे अदरवाइज जब रिहर्सल के लिए आएंगे चाय पानी वैसा होगा बट अदरवाइज प्योर थिएटर में अभी तो नहीं compared to let's say Broadway or in UK, Europe में काफी है theatre में there are people who are pursuing that as a profession.
जैसे कि सर एनएसडी वहाँ पे सैलरी भी पे की जाती है एक हाईएस्ट नोन एक्टर जो थिएटर बेसिस पे है
हाँ
यहाँ पॉसिबिलिटी है नहीं है
देखिए बैंगलोर और दिल्ली मुंबई कोलकाता देयर इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट amateur theatre groups also like if you're getting an actor जो professional है you have to pay them on a per day basis.
ओके
आप एक शूट के रहो रिहर्सल के लिए आ रहे हो you have to pay them 200 500 rupees 1000 rupees per day
एज पर द एक्टर्स एक्सपीरियंस
as per the actor's experience plus travel you have to pay for it और जिस दिन शो होता है उसका परफॉर्मेंस का एक अलग रहता है. So what a lot of theatre groups are also doing is now the corporates have started embracing it. I'm sure you know that, but हम लोग जैसे Microsoft है, Novartis, Thomson Reuters, we do corporate performances. And corporates have the funding, they have the money, they pay. So I'm able to balance that. ये play करते हैं, play में ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं मिलता उनको just travel के लिए, but in this they get good money.
कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर
Corporate, yeah, lot of theatre groups engage through that also. ऐसे एक महीने में एक दो ऐसे मिल गए, then you are kind of set.
एबल टू सर्वाइव या फुल्ली सेट
Do well. If you have a constant gig बोलते हैं ना जैसे आप
ठीक
one of our actors was अब तो बंद हो गया बायजूस में he's an actor he was acting as a professor for the Byju's training videos
ओके
and he was earning as good as an IT employee would get the kind of salaries so वैसे आपको मिल जाते हैं yeah you're doing corporate performances corporate workshops वो भी होता है training so all those things gives you that और आप if you have developed enough experience then you conduct workshops you're creating a next set of people
साइड वर्क
तो वो एक साइकिल है मतलब वो लेकिन स्ट्रगल तो है 5 से 10 साल लगता है
जी
for an actor to be recognized as somebody who can conduct a workshop मेरे को 12 साल के बाद after 12 years of establishing Dramanon I started the first theatre workshop which I charged people till then I was doing it for free
हाँ
तो मैं अपने आप को ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ
जी जी फर्स्ट सेल्फ लर्निंग इज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी
yes
How do you feel the theatre scenes evolved that during your career?
in Hyderabad
Yeah.
I think Hyderabad now is pretty good I counted one day 30 theatre groups in Hyderabad and I'm not even actually maybe there are more because
Somewhere non-recognized.
I don't know the Bengali theatre groups, Gujarati, Marathi theatre है.
Marathi है जो.
हाँ. So of course I counted one or two, okay, but I don't know whether there are more.
Yeah.
But when I came to Hyderabad in 2007, I think there were about 6-7 theatre groups in Hyderabad that I knew of. That is what I knew of. And now there are more groups. We're also talking about a venue which was Rangabhumi जो पहला Rangabhumi था. That's the first time somebody it had its own limitations. But first time there was a space created for theatre. तो हैदराबाद में है ही नहीं otherwise. Lamakan है but Lamakan I don't consider it as like a design for theatre. It's a beautiful space and is a beautiful thing for the community, no doubt. बस बहुत activities होते हैं उसमें and we love performing there also. But we know the limitations of it.
As per space area limitation है.
हाँ.
Individual.
तो मेरे हिसाब से हैदराबाद दो ऐसे स्पेस आ गए ना जैसे रंगशंकर है और पृथ्वी जैसे ऐसे दो स्पेसेस इन ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द सिटी एक समवेयर सिकंदराबाद में एक हाईटेक सिटी वहाँ से एंड मे बी वन इन ओल्ड सिटी एरिया ऐसे तीन ऐसे गुड स्पेसेस कम आउट देन यू विल सडनली सी द ऑडियंस इंक्रीजिंग यू विल आल्सो सी मोर थिएटर ग्रुप्स कमिंग
Inspiration kind of like to do the theatre work.
लोग बोलते हैं यार कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो अब वो बंसीलाल पे स्टेप 12 में गो एंड परफॉर्म एवरीथिंग हैज अ लिमिटेशन मेरे को हर लाइटिंग का सोचना पड़ता है साउंड का सोचना पड़ता है फिर नॉइज का सोचना पड़ता है साउंड आई मेंट लाइक माइकिंग इट अप एंड हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल द acoustics बाहर का आवाज कैसे ब्लॉक करना है तो यू हैव लिमिटेशंस इफ यू हैव द बजट फॉर इट कर सकते हो कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो यू कैन कंट्रोल ऑल दैट बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट We need good venues. मैं तो बहुत सालों से बोल रहा हूँ. I mean, after the government also about this, but we need to have a dedicated space for theatre.
एनी स्पेसिफिक कम्युनिटी फॉर दिस सर, जैसे कि वो इस पे काम कर रहे हो ऐसे स्पेसेस बनाने के लिए?
नहीं है, देखिए प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो कोई भी जो स्पेस बनाएगा
जी।
शुड बी अ मल्टी मिलियनर, बिकॉज पैसा तो नहीं आएगा उसमें से.
जी
मतलब इट विल जस्ट ब्रेक इवन मे बी आफ्टर 10 years. द पॉइंट इज you want to good make a good space, but you want to make it affordable.
डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि एक्सपेंसेस हाई होंगे.
रंगशंकर इतना 350 सीटर दे चार्ज व्हाट 5000 7000. उसमें आप just they are running because of they will fund. गवर्नमेंट से भी आता है, प्राइवेट companies and all that are sponsored. That's how it's running. So you need to have the community come together. So okay, let's build a space. पर उसके लिए लैंड चाहिए पहले.
सही है.
somebody some guy will say हाँ ये ले लो, we'll build a space. तो 2-3 बनाने हैं. Until that happens, it's going to be a little difficult. I would say.
What do you think are the key qualities that an actor needs to like sustain a successful career in both theatre and film sector?
I personally feel you have to be a good human being to start with. What I mean to say is you're sensitive. Once you're sensitive, you're observant. And once, as an actor, you're observing. You learn. The second thing I feel is humility. Let me put this humility in a different context, because see, an actor needs to have a certain ego. When I say ego, there is a sense of confidence about who you are.
Yeah.
But humility also comes from the ability to learn more. So you're sure of what you know, but you also know that you don't know. वो अगर thought है तो humility is the next part. But if you really want to get into the technical aspect of it, तुम्हारे body language ये वो and all those things. Third is discipline. Discipline मतलब आप rehearsal पे अगर आप time पे आ रहे हो and learning your lines, आप जैसे भी आप करो, आप परसों आपको rehearsal का ना, you should have learned your lines, do all this. बाकी चीजें तो आप सीखोगे. You know, movement, of course, different genres. Just movement theatre. If I have to get into movement theatre, I start really looking at losing a lot of weight. I have to get into that because my body has to be that flexible to explore those possibilities. But then, so therefore, I know my limitations. Knowing that is important for me. आपका strengths क्या है, आपका limitations क्या है, and work towards your strengths. और limitations थोड़ा improve करो जितना हो सकता है.
एज वेल एज मतलब जैसे लिमिटेशन, उस पर भी काम करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए. नहीं है कि आप इग्नोर कर देते. सेम थिंग विद आर्किटेक्चर. में आर्किटेक्चर में बहुत स्किल सेट्स हो सकते हैं.
जी.
आप जिसमें आप अच्छे हो, मेक इट योर बेस्ट. आप जिसमें अगर आप बुरा हो, ब्रिंग इट टू एटलीस्ट टू एन एवरेज. That's my
इम्प्रूवमेंट इन
Because I don't want to talk about कि theatre में actor के लिए क्या क्या qualities होंगे. I think everybody is generally aware of it. But that's why I gave a completely different set of qualities that an actor needs to possess. And read a lot, watch as many plays as possible.
लाइक फॉर ग्रूमिंग ऑन अ थिएटर बेसिस.
हाँ, आप इंस्पायर हो जाते हो, या तो you sometimes you might get an idea also, a trigger of a thought, or you say how did this actor do this. Problem is a lot of actors look at cinema to get inspired. वो medium अलग है. आप theatre देखिए, आप plays जाके देखिए live. Then you will see what happens and how did the writing happen. ये क्या क्या, वो क्या क्या. So you learn through that by reading and read scripts. Read in general. आप read in general because I think आप कोई भी language हो. There are a lot of writers, literary writers, different languages in India. I think Indian writers, Girish Karnad, so many of them are there. Of course, translation. You will read it, but if you can read the text, it gives you connects to the roots. And as an actor, आप sensitive होते हो. You need to be aware of what's happening in your country, in your state, in your community. What's happening? क्योंकि हम लोग एक अलग strata में रहते हैं. There are different people. आप अलग-अलग हैं.
डिफरेंट, क्योंकि सर्वाइवल अलग अलग है सभी का.
सबका अलग है. तो can I tell that story? For knowing that story, I need to know what's happening there. मैं कोई कहानी सुनानी है about some Banjara in Gujarat. What do I know about it? How do I perform in that? That's the discovery. The research part of it is a very interesting thing about doing a
theater,
theater play because आपको discover करना पड़ता है.
like a ground level working, basic level of working required.
What should an actor
Yeah.
do? I would say work on themselves is okay. This is a little radical thing, but I would say develop a sense of rhythm. Learn some musical instrument.
Okay.
Do a lot of voice exercises. And attend as many workshops as possible because हर workshop में अलग school of thought होता है. लोगों का सोच अलग है. The school of thought जो जैसे आदिशक्ति है, they have a different school of thought versus the so-called method acting, for example. वो अलग है. आदिशक्ति talks about creating the body, using the body to create the emotions. Method acting talks about finding a method, of course, to start with, but figuring out. So अलग-अलग school of thought है, कोई एक नहीं है. लेकिन the main thing is attend as many workshops. अलग. There are actors who have gone and studied Kalaripayattu, the martial art.
Martial arts, Indian form.
Dance join किया, music join किया. And like nowadays, a lot of theatre groups are encouraging actors to play, work with drums, musical instruments, dance. Because आपका sense of rhythm अच्छा हो जाता है, sense of pitch, scale अच्छा हो जाता है. With all this voice control is all about that. No?
Yes, sir.
And आपको एक character में ठहराव लाना है. The scene में ऐसा ना है. So you need to be aware of rhythm. उससे पहले वाले scene में fast paced था. And now it's like how do you control breath control, voice, how to work with voice. These are basically the main things. Body को आप कैसे mold कर सकते हो, कैसे or try different things.
Like an Natyashastra is being used like a.
Well, it's again debated upon but it's quite a useful tool. I use it in my workshops. I use Natyashastra, and it's easy for the actors or the workshop participants to understand it. हम explore कैसे करें. लेकिन उसमें problem ये होता है कि सब लोग external performance हो जाता है.
जी.
वो unfortunately again inspired by cinema.
Indirectly inspired this.
हाँ, गुस्सा दिखाना है तो ऐसा दिखाएंगे. पिक्चर में अपने एक्टर ने ऐसे किया है, तो वो यू आर रेप्लिकेटिंग दैट. यू नॉट फीलिंग इट. तो वो आएगा. मतलब आई थिंक इट टेक्स टाइम फॉर एन एक्टर टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट.
How do you navigate the creative differences between like a theater and a film project related to director?
I have no call in that one.
Okay.
I am just what should I say, an object. ठीक है. अब मैं टॉय हूँ, आई एम अ पपेट. डायरेक्टर जो बोलता है हम करते हैं. इनफैक्ट इवन इन थिएटर इफ आई एम वर्किंग विद द डायरेक्टर, अब विनेश साहब आई हैव डन अ प्ले, वो जो बोल रहे हैं आई विल जस्ट डू इट. वैसा है.
Name of the place?
आउट एट सी.
Out at Sea.
हाँ, about 6-7 years back we did that. 3 actors play. So he's the director. I listen to whatever he says. Unless there's something drastically wrong, if I feel I don't know why I don't feel like saying this, I will negotiate with the director. It's a negotiation again. It's not asserting.
Okay.
That's the only creative differences you can figure out. Otherwise, you don't think too much. You just let's enjoy the actor. सिनेमा में वही है. सिनेमा में तो कुछ है ही नहीं. You can't even debate यार. वो तो तुमको निकाल देगा.
Until unless
You can't debate with. I mean, unless you're a star, right? तो star तो खुद direct करेंगे. But I'm the wrong person to ask as far as the creative difference is.
Like in your terms, as per your experiences.
Recently I did an ad with Bugs Bhargav, Hyderabad Metro के लिए ad किया था. There were certain suggestions I gave because I was very comfortable with the director. We are like good friends. So then you can do some discussion. What if I do this? This is the choice I made. And he said, why did you do it? And then I did that. He said, yes, that's great. Let's do it then. वो comfort होना चाहिए आपके साथ with the director. Then you can do it.
Are there any directors, playwrights, or co-actors you have especially enjoyed collaborating with?
In In cinema or theatre?
Like a theater. First we go with the theater, we can go for a cinema.
Cinema तो ज़्यादा नहीं है. I think I just gave you the example of
Yeah.
ad that I did.
Yeah.
I really like that one. That experience was great with Bugs. And cinema में I think Anish Daniel का मैंने जब किया था वो least of these with Sharman Joshi. छोटा सा रोल था, but he's a very kind director. आप उसके बिल्कुल अच्छे से बात कर सकते हो. So that I feel is the comfort of a director gives you. So it was a good experience. Otherwise, Nagesh Kokunor was a great person to have a conversation about cinema and other things. So Lakshmi Meera, it was a good experience. Theatre-wise, see, I worked with different theatre groups, Vaishali Vish, Vinay Verma. सबके अलग quirks होते हैं, सबके have their advantages, and I think the whole idea is to learn from it.
Have you worked as a like did you
As an actor.
As an actor, you've been a part of a play.
I was with like Vaishali Fish Production. I was an actor. Vinay was also part of that. Vinay, I was an actor. I worked with Madha Pasha as an actor, and so I've worked with various theatre groups recently. That Pallavi Verma, she had done a play. I acted in that play. So there you are just. I think the idea here is that you are allowing the director to direct you. ज़्यादा stress मत लो ना, मतलब जो कर रहे हैं तो करो. So whether I have had a great time, I think all of them have been a unique experience. Everyone has, as I said, थोड़े quirks हैं. Some things you might not agree, certain things you will really say, wow, this is nice.
But still to follow the direction of a director.
Yeah, and then you also get inspired. You see certain क्या बोलते हैं processes that they apply.
जी.
You learn from that. No?
Definitely.
It makes sense, and I might interpret it in my own way and
Perform it on.
not just to perform. I मैं अपने जब मैं actors को direct कर रहा हूँ, I'll get some ideas from this. I think that's the good thing about exchanges. When you work with other groups, आप comfort zone से बाहर जाते हो,
जी.
and then you're learning. That's the main thing. So, but yeah, I think for me, everyone, whoever inspires me, I can't really, it's not fair to name ये सबसे अच्छा था, ये अच्छा था. I think everybody has been a teacher, including my actors have been a teacher too. Some fantastic actors, I see their performances. How did you do that? How you? And I say, I can never go there. How did you think of this? That's enough
Inspiration.
Yeah.
Like can be learn from any person.
Any person.
Doesn't matter age or criteria.
Yes. You learn from your production crew also.
Definitely.
उनका जो dedication होता है, the level of work that they do. It's the most thankless job. जो production जो होते हैं ना, sound like backstage जो करते हैं, जितना मेहनत करते हैं वो थोड़े some of them are extremely invaluable. This is in our group. This is a person called Ludwig. He works like as if it's his life at that stake. To that level of dedication, you want everyone to have it in a way. So that's what it is. Because I think end of the day, everybody is inspiring everyone. And this is one important point I want to talk about, the production backbone जो बोलते हैं कोई play का. सब लोग उनको क्योंकि end में तो director भी नहीं दिखता है, audience को सिर्फ actors दिखते हैं.
हाँ, most priority that to the
director ठीक हाँ कुछ तो क्या होगा. Backstage में तो कोई value नहीं है. But they are perhaps the ones who hold that entire thing together. Otherwise, it just won't.
Have you did any play for that? You have transformed yourself physically and in other terms.
Well, a weird example would be Jungle Book, which I did with Vaishali. I was Bhalu in that. So I had become I had a very weird costume and did that play. And for transformation, I think I did the role of a minister in a play called Bhopal, where I became a 60-year-old man. This is about 10 years back when I was 41. So slightly older person there in transformation. But I've not done really drastic shifts. ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. वो एक week डाल दिया ऐसा but nothing. And if your question is did I work towards it? Did I really physically figure out? Physically transform? You're saying lose weight or gain weight? ऐसा नहीं. वो नहीं हुआ है. वो I hope. I wish there is a role in which I have to be a thin person and I might lose weight because of that. I hope ऐसे कुछ मिल जाएगी. तो मूवी से बना देंगे आप एक साल के ऊपर आप वेट लॉस करना है वो मूवी वही है. Then it will be a good movie for me to like.
Transform yourself.
And they are paying me for doing that.
Like both work, so you are getting a leaner as well as you are getting paid for that.
Yes, that's what.
How do you handle the criticism? Like in what is the best advice as well as the person you have received from the audiences and the co-actors? Firstly, we go with the criticism. Like how you handle with that.
I embrace criticism, but initially I used to give a lot of importance to that. बहुत like right in the beginning. I think that's fair enough at that point of time. You want to get a feedback from the audience, and then you think you listen to it and say, okay, that makes sense. It's a lot of things you know about performance खराब है, you know something is what was off and all. But sometimes the audience brings out something which you had not thought of. So I take it very positively. But at the end of the day, if somebody says I didn't like the play at all, then I don't care for that. मैंने तो आपके लिए नहीं बनाई. Because I know a lot of people have loved it.
Okay.
You didn't like it, this play is not for you. वो शायद वो play अब बार-बार हम करते रहेंगे तो more and more people who like it will tell other people that you should go and watch it, and that's the crowd with the game. This is actually Mike Deary had said this once. He's an actor. Somebody asked, how do you develop a play for the audience? He said, I never develop a play for the audience. I mean, I don't know who my audience is. I develop a play which I like. I said, this is the story I want to tell. ये कहानी मेरे को सुनानी है, ये मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, and I want to do this.
Not so pleasure the audience.
Yeah, I said, this is what I want to do. This is my work of art. अगर कोई painter, Picasso जो paint कर रहा था, वो नहीं सोच रहा था
कि audience
इसके लिए मैं paint करूँ.
सही.
जो है मैं I'm expressing my thought and I'm creating a work of art. Theatre is still a work of art.
Definitely.
वो बनाने के बाद you perform it in front of an audience because you still have to communicate with them. Whatever it's a work of art, it has to be communicated. Or if the audience loves it, जो भी audience who like it, that's your audience.
Like
he said, audience is like आपके हाथ में seeds हैं. खेत है सामने, seeds हैं. आप वो seeds को खेत में फेंको.
Nurture them.
जहाँ पे भी गिरा, वहाँ पे पौधे आएंगे.
जी.
तो वो आपका audience है.
सही
नहीं गिरा वो आपके audience नहीं है.
सही है.
So लोग ये सोचेंगे हाँ ये चलेगी वो चलेगी ये फॉर्मूला ये नहीं होता. वो ठीक है सिनेमा में लगाते हैं फिर भी फेल होते हैं फॉर्मूला लगाने के बाद. थिएटर में आई थिंक द की इज ये मेरे को स्टोरी पसंद है. आई रियली एंजॉयड रीडिंग इट. आई रियली विजुअलाइज इट इन अ वेरी नाइस वे. आई लाइक इट. आई वुड लाइक टू सी दिस प्ले. So therefore I want to do this. That's it. वो बना दो उसके बाद जो ऑडियंस जैसे रिएक्ट करेगी you hope for the best. And if it worked well, that means you can do more shows. If it didn't work well, you can think of it. You can do self-assessment. थोड़ा improve कर दे. If it didn't work well at all, that means your work of art is not
That
not
good.
that well. I don't know. So it's. But I would still say that if somebody doesn't like my play at all, I'll say this is not meant for me. And I like people who come and criticize. क्योंकि लोग जो हैदराबाद क्राउड है कुछ भी अच्छा भी नहीं लगा तो अरे बहुत अच्छा करके निकल जाता है. I don't like that. In fact, when I go to watch plays, I have a big problem after if I didn't like a play.
Okay.
लोग पूछते तो मैं बोल देता हूँ मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया. This is the problem.
Being honest.
A lot of theatre groups stopped listening to my comment or they never would approach me after that. So after the play I would just walk out. अगर मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया.
Okay.
क्योंकि क्यों उनको मूड खराब करे.
Side.
They are in a high, no? They are having fun. उनका play खत्म हुआ अच्छा है. So criticism I think is important for any, but I think criticism is also you should know from where it's coming from. उसका क्या है मतलब एजेंडा है क्या और is it they genuinely want to advise you. I think at the end of the day any actor director knows वो शो कैसे अच्छा लगा नहीं अच्छा हुआ कि नहीं. you have enough experience.
Co-actors or director advices you have received?
हाँ तो ऐसे बहुत हुआ है. I have got it's suggestions.
Suggestions,
What
okay.
is this? I'm very open to it. I'm very open to it as long as I'm convinced by it. As long as I'm convinced by it. But when I'm directing, yes, all the actors are told, listen, I'm the director. Okay? So everybody follow. बाद में discuss करना है, let's discuss. While doing the rehearsal, this thing, I am in that. Just to follow. We'll have a discussion after that. आप कोई feedback है तो बताओ. Then okay, we'll try this. Some actor will say, ये line में कितना भी कोशिश करो, I don't feel this line. I say, what would you say?
Keep it in your way.
Or I don't feel like doing that. I don't feel like walking from here to there. I don't find any purpose. So you have to tell the actor कि मत, because they are very confused. Actors को बोलना पड़ता है कभी-कभी, हर बार नहीं होता. क्यों यहाँ से वहाँ गए? Objective होना चाहिए ना. नहीं तो वहीं पे रुक जाते हैं.
सही है.
कोई रीजन होना चाहिए वहाँ पे. ऐसा नहीं कि टहल रहे हो ऐसे लाइन बोल रहे हो. So that kind of discussions happen. I don't think there is what do you call one way of doing a play. There are methods, of course, of directing. But for me, I like the discussion. I really like the
Even as a director,
Even as a
even
director.
as an actor.
even as an actor. Even as an actor, I enjoy it even more. But even as an actor, it's easy to just let go. कि ज़्यादा नहीं करना, मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना.
Just to follow the
हाँ,
direction.
मैं instinct से perform कर रहा हूँ. बस.
So, Jessica sir, what advice would you give to the youngsters who are interested into get into a theater as well as who want to learn from here and get into a film sector?
Well, वो पहले वो भूल जाओ कि मैं थिएटर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को फिल्म में जाना है.
ठीक है.
उसको हटा दो.
First advice is not to focus
Don't
on.
think of it that way. हुआ तो हुआ.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. अगर आपको फिल्म में ही करना है,
Okay.
that's your eventual objective. Then think of theater as a stepping stone, but don't do it like एक दो workshop करके एक play करके मेरे को सिनेमा में जाना है. Then you pursue it for a few years. Pursue it for 4-5 years. Theater करो. Because once you're doing it for 5 years, that means you really love it. तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका you'll realize कि आप जब सिनेमा करते हो या कोई वेब सीरीज कर रहे हो या OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में कुछ सीरियल कर रहे हो, you'll realize your advantage as a theater actor.
Coming from a specific cultural art sector,
हाँ,
Could be-
नहीं because आपका बेसिक्स बहुत शार्प हो चुका है
Sharp, जी.
as an actor.
skilled up.
सिनेमा में कंट्रोल होता है
जी.
परफॉर्मेंस में. थिएटर में इट्स लिटिल लाउडर.
हाँ, as compared to voice as well as somewhere else.
It depends. This is living room theater. छोटे स्पेस में 50 लोगों के लिए परफॉर्म कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
Your performance can be as much as a cinema performance because audience बहुत पास है आपके. Whereas traditional theater you have to be loud because people are 100 meters away.
As per the category on which play is being played.
But does an actor develops? That's why when I say ना, जैसे आप गा सकते हो,
हाँ.
जोर से गाओ, कम गाओ, control of voice. Even if you're playing a musical instrument, you know rhythm कैसे change करना है, scale कैसे change करना है. So that once you develop as an actor, you know how much to control for cinema, how much to control for theater. कितना, how much more to give, how much less. वो चल. Cinema में is actually it's a lot with eyes and control, breath control and eyes.
Only majorly focusing on
Majorly,
character.
yeah, because camera यहाँ पे आपके.
Like every fresher who is getting into this, like working somewhere, कहीं ना कहीं वो कुछ ना कुछ काम करते हुए
हाँ.
इसमें काम कर रहे हैं.
Correct,
तो
correct.
उनका बैलेंसिंग कैसे बन सकता, कोई ऐसा कि हम इसे भी मैनेज कर रहे हैं. In
So,
source of
got
mentality.
it. So I think the advantage I have is because मेरा खुद का firm.
जी.
So I can take out time. See, I'm also a visiting faculty. I go to college once a week to teach architecture.
हाँ.
And I also do workshops, corporate के ये सब. वो sometimes weekdays में भी होता है. मेरा office चल रहा है, so I have 6-7 employees who work with me, architecture profession. So वो चल रहा है.
जी.
So I'm able to take out time. So I guess I'm a little lucky that way, which is little difficult for people who are doing a full-time job. सुबह 9 से 7 बजे तक जो भी टाइम है आपका, and then go and do theatre. when you're younger, you have the energy, you have the motivation to do it. As you grow older, you realize the body is not the same. The level of motivation also slightly drops. So when you're young, do it.
So not
जॉब
getting-
कर रहे हो, थिएटर कर रहे हो, करो सैटरडे संडे. फॉरगेट इंस्टाग्राम, फॉरगेट ये सोशल मीडिया. एक दो मूवीज छूट जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, बाद में देख लेना. वैसे भी आजकल रिकॉर्ड होकर कर सकते हो.
जी.
But pursue this and give it, and you'll automatically do that. एक महीना हो जाएगा, पता चलेगा एक महीने से मतलब मैंने कोई मूवी नहीं देखी, मैंने ये कोई didn't go out, didn't go for the parties or meet people. I was doing this, but you enjoy that. तो वो आप young हो at that stage, do it.
बहुत मैनेज किया जा सकता है नहीं.
हाँ बिल्कुल हो सकता है. बहुत, I think Hyderabad almost 70-80% of the people who are doing theatre are doing day jobs and also doing this.
80%.
Of theatre practitioners.
theatre practitioners.
Practitioners. Not theatre heads.
Okay.
अभी जैसे 7-8 theatre groups हैं,
हाँ.
they're all full time into it.
Full time.
But उनके जो, I mean now maybe it has increased. Now increase in the sense, theatre practitioners, I would say could be 70. I don't know the exact numbers.
No issues.
I knew at one point of time when I came here, except for 4, 5 or 10, 15 people in Hyderabad, whoever else was doing theatre are doing jobs.
Like managing both.
Managing. Only few people were doing it. If you think of it, just every Vinay also does movies, does other things. So it's not only theatre only, right?
Yes.
There also is a job in it.
Job.
Fluid.
So
That's it. It's possible. Definitely possible. करते हैं, बहुत किया है, बहुत लोगों ने किया है. I know people who are, business कर रहे हैं या working in IT company or anything else, they have pursued theatre. They have taken up time, Saturday, रात 2 बजे तक रिहर्सल करके सुबह ऑफिस गए हैं वो भी. ऐसे होता है.
before winding up, is there any message would you like to give to our audience?
No, I don't know. I think I'm the last person to advise anybody on anything else. I just feel whatever we spoke about, if there's something that makes sense to you, ये वही हो गया ना बात. If whatever I said, if it made sense to you, you are my audience. If it didn't make sense to you, you are not my audience. And I hope something you take away from this conversation. And that's it. I don't like to give any advice, and especially unsolicited advice. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your valuable time you gave to us. We appreciate that. So thanks.
Pleasure.
Most welcome.